Hello everyone, JM here, and I just got my Kobo Aura H2O, and on the other side is my Kindle Paperwhite 4. So I'm just showing you the differences between the two at this first glance. I just got it an hour ago, and the Paperwhite is a bit faster, but it is not bothersome with the Kobo Aura H2O. You have to take note that the Kobo Aura is an old model, while the Paperwhite 4 was released recently, back in 2019. Now, in regards to lighting control, the Kobo Aura H2O, you just have to slide on the side to control the lighting, and with the Kindle you have to access it through the menu on its menu. And then the Kobo Aura has a warm tinge in its lighting, and the Paperwhite is more white-ish. Now we're going to check the speed again. With the Kobo Aura, I have a refresh rate of every 3 pages. With the Kindle Paperwhite, I think I have set this up every page. Now I'm going to try a PDF file. With the Kobo Aura, I just sideloaded it directly. With the Kindle Paperwhite, I have to convert it to a MOBI file. And as you can see, my books are more graphical, so I decided to get the Kobo Aura with a larger screen, and so that I can see the images. But the Kobo loads a bit slower compared to the Kindle, but as you can see, the layout of the Kobo Aura is easier to read compared to the Kindle Paperwhite, because the text with the Kindle Paperwhite can be edited. Look at this table of contents. With the Aura, it is neater or more organized. With the Paperwhite, it is randomly placed, because the text or the fonts can be resized with the Kindle Paperwhite, but with the Kobo Aura you just have to zoom so you can read it properly. Now I think that's all I can say from now, except from the obviously the Kobo Aura has a better screen.